Hello guys, we are back. Let's try to create our template that I gave you the promise of that. At first, we go to the folder that we are going to create, right click, new, and then Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now we name it template and then press enter and open it. After opening it, we wait a little. Wait for it. It's open now. Here it's the slide that opened. It's opened. It's open. Now we need to create the presentation we want. We add a new slide. And then after that, some of you may ask how I have these things. I tell you, they are from ruler, this up ruler. You can add it easily from here. And there are grids. You can open the snap object to the grids to make it more simple to walk in the lines. Okay, I'll do it by adding grids from here. When you set the ticks, the grid is created. Now we have our workspace created. If you don't have this space, don't be scared. We just simply click insert and then put it here for this space to be created. We created everything. The language is all. Now we have everything. Let's try to create our presentation. Have a nice let's try to create it. We need to choose something for our presentation. Let's make a list of it. We need at first select font, color, font, background, font, background color. We need to choose these three. Now let's go and try to choose them in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice